Diba ang balita, apat na yaya pa ang kasama ni Ellen ngayon. Hindi na sila talaga nagbigay ng mami niya. May apat na yaya. Pagkatapos merong nilipatan na bahay. Kasama pa yung allowance ni Lily. So secure siya. Wala siyang dapat na idiretso. Dahil alam niya, ang diretso ay hindi na dinediretso pa. Diba ang balita?
Siya at yung mga fans lang niya. When you're so delulu, and you're so used to lying, you start to believe in your own lies. So, 'di ba? Kung quiet na lang unta siya, hindi ta ma-trigger din di mangangkon, di magpaka-feeling na dato kay siya, di ba ma-trigger kayo makatingog ta Piragaba din ta. You're a deep thinker. You analyze, you do your research, and you think. Forgiveness is only for the people who deserve it and who ask for it and really change. But I'm not Mother Teresa, I'm not there yet.
Sa IG story ay nirepost ni Ellen ang mga pahayag ni Christopher Min na nagsasabing good provider si Derek Ramsey sa anak nilang si Lily. At narito naman ang isinulat na caption ni Ellen. What kind of foolishness is this, Christy Vermin? The claims being made are misleading and unfair. Let's set the record straight. Truth matters, facts matter, and credit should always be given where it is due. Last month, I told his assistant, no sustento, no Lily. That's simple. I am not demanding anything beyond what is fair. But I will not allow the father to live comfortably just cooling his balls while having little to no contribution to his child because he gets to see her almost every day. Only after I called him out did he give a credit card 2 weeks ago with a 50,000 credit limit. That amount covers only 55.80% of the actual breakdown of Liana's expenses that I clearly presented. Let's be accurate about that. And let's also correct this narrative. Neither he nor his mother has ever paid for my yayas or household staff. Not now, not even when we were married. I paid for my own staff. I have 5 nannies and 2 are for Liana. They only paid for 1 nanny for Liana. I paid for my own groceries, and they did not provide a house for me. I did that myself. Let's not rewrite history. So please, let's stop being delusional and stop branding someone as a good provider when the numbers and reality say otherwise. A real provider doesn't wait to be called out. He gives willingly. He takes initiative. He doesn't rely on words, flexing, or public image. That's it, pansit. Period.
Yes, nanay-nanayan siya, anak-anakan siya. I don't know what they're, but I know they're close. And Vermin is doing the dirty work for him, di ba? Bango-bango ng pangalan niya pag si Vermin ang nagsalita. So, I don't appreciate it na like that because if they're close, he can just call her up and say, hey, stop it. I'm still his wife. That's my wife. You can stop it. But no. So it's like smear campaigns. He's asking people to do the dirty work for him, and it's such a pathetic, bitchy move. It's at least have the balls to do it yourself. Man up. Since October last year, he hasn't given. So October, November, December, January. So came January, I had it. My family was like, nope, don't tolerate that shit. If he doesn't give anything, then no Lily. That's simple. So that's when I called them out and I think they panic. Well, nothing man. So, there. But 2 weeks ago, less than 2 weeks ago, the credit card arrived. Yun na yan. And then grabe magka-flex, bili ng cars and all that. So, you see where his priorities are. Like, oh my God. Well, to be fair, he said he gave milk and diapers last November or October, but I don't know. We didn't see it because I'm the type that I hoard. I hoard milk. I hoard diapers. I mean, diba? I even hoard makeup. What more food and stuff for my children. So, di namin yun nakita and di namin ma-trace. Sana he can provide receipts. So, no, it's there. But he said that he sent milk and diapers in October. So, there. I will not discredit that. And, I think this month, he bought milk daw. That's good for 2 months. But I already bought also. Good for 3 months. So, it's not here with me. So, there. So, let's not discredit that also that he bought daw. Well, this is not the first time. You should research about what happened to his first wife and his son. Go deep into that. It's a pattern. Because Elias was only a toddler at the time. He was in schooling and I was in Cebu. When I'm in Cebu, everything is taken care of. My house, bills, driver, yes, it's all paid for the company. So my only gastos when I was in Cebu there was only my groceries. So it was fair, no? Na yun lang. Actually, I didn't ask for 20. I only asked for 10. But since it was John Lloyd who insisted, he'll double the amount. So, from 10,000, he wanted to double it, naging 20. So, yeah. So, that explains it. Okay? There. Well, there was food, no? But, like, sometimes, makulang. Like, the first 2 years in the marriage, like, pag nakulang, I buy. I make abono. Because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. So the first 2 years, I buy my own. Kasi kulang, Alias has his own, Alias is provided. Sinakahiya naman, di ba, na parang naki-ride on lang na provided naman siya kay JL. So, and I buy groceries for my staff. And my tampons, my toiletries, that I buy for myself. So, yeah, it was just. Iceland, tell your mom to visit us. Come visit us.